Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about vehicle insurance, specifically how your auto insurance applies to an overland rig like this. Yes, it's snowing. Yes, it's the end of April. No, I'm not happy about it. Let's get into it. All right, so this is going to be part of a series. I'm going to call it Tailgate Talk. Just hanging out, talking about some hopefully topics I can break down into a simple way that relate to overlanding and rigs and all that in general. So today we're going to be talking about insurance. I just renewed my vehicle insurance and it got me thinking about this. All right, let's get the timer going. The goal is 2 minutes or less. Let's see if we can do it. So first off, this is going to apply in at least my state. It may be different state to state, and it's probably different agency to agency. So shop around a little bit and figure it out. But what I found out is that my vehicle insurance only covers the vehicle the way that it came off the lot. That's how they base the pricing and everything. So when you start adding all this extra gear to it, it may or may not cover that. So what I had to end up doing is adding a custom equipment policy to it, and that covers anything that is bolted on to the vehicle, permanently attached. And so the tent is bolted to the rack's bolted to the truck. Those are all covered. Lights, those are covered under that policy too. They even said that tires, if you upgrade your tires, that doesn't count under your normal policy either. So my insurance company has comprehensive, which covers theft, damage. If it's damaged by wind, if a tree falls down right now and hits it, that would be covered under that. There's also collision insurance, which covers a collision, obviously. Now, my insurance agent did say that if you hit a pothole and destroy your wheel and tire, well, that's a collision with the pothole, so it's covered under that. So that's really nice to know about. She also said that anything you put in your vehicle, toolbox, recovery board, stuff that goes in, comes out, is covered under your homeowner's policy. So kind of the simple thing is anything that's attached to your vehicle is your auto owner's policy. Anything that you put into your vehicle is under your homeowner's policy. So I would encourage you, double check that. I didn't realize that. I thought that my vehicle policy would cover this stuff. It doesn't. So I would recommend checking on that, at least knowing what happens before you get into an accident and need to use it. All right, well, we did pretty good for the first time. Hopefully that's a concise way of putting it, makes some sense. I don't want to scare you into thinking your insurance isn't going to cover it, but definitely something to check and make sure you know what's going on long before you need to use it. Thanks for watching.